Hello, my name is Alex Solomon, and I graduated Rider last year as part of the class of 2019. At Rider, I was a marketing, international business, and sport management major with a minor in Spanish and a concentration in entrepreneurial studies. Outside of the classroom, I was a member of Rider's Division I track and field team, a senior fellow in the Office of Admissions, a student tutor in our Student Success Center, the senior class treasurer, and a fellow at the Rebovich Institute for New Jersey Politics. Even though I was a business major, the Rebovich Institute was able to get me involved in both learning about and meeting people in the world of New Jersey politics. Through these invaluable connections, I was able to get my first job, which is still my current job, at the New Jersey State Senate as a research associate. Without the Rebovich Institute and Rider University, I wouldn't be where I am today. My word of advice to you potential future Broncs would be that once you get to campus, get involved. It's very easy to decide that a club's not for you and not even decide to attend the first meeting. But my advice would be to go. Show up to the first meetings and then make your decision, because you never know where the best opportunity may lie, where your next best friend may be, or where you'll just have tons of fun in your Rider experience.